Welcome to Stevens Transport News Bulletin. We bring you the latest updates in the transportation industry. Stevens Transport is announcing a key addition to its leadership team. The company has named Angelo Gibson as its new Senior Vice President of Operations. Gibson brings more than 20 years of leadership experience in transportation and logistics, with deep expertise in one-way and dedicated operations. He is known for his strengths in strategic planning, process improvement, and driving operational excellence. Most recently, Gibson served as Vice President of Operations at Werner Enterprises, where he led a large-scale operation overseeing more than 100 associates and up to 2,800 drivers, managing freight execution and the overall driver experience. A graduate of the University of Nebraska at Omaha and a 7-year U.S. Navy veteran, Gibson will oversee all Stevens transport operations, focusing on revenue and margin growth, cost optimization, and using technology and data-driven insights to support long-term performance and customer satisfaction. Welcome to Stevens Transport, Angelo. Our next topic. As we kick off 2026, we're focused on creating new opportunities, and for many drivers, this could be the year you own your own business. Stevens was built on entrepreneurship and ownership, and today the Independent Contractor Division continues that legacy with a proven business model that helps drivers succeed as independent business owners. That's why we're excited to introduce our weekly Independent Contractor Division Workshop, held every Thursday at 11:30 a.m. in Classroom D. In this workshop, you'll learn what ownership really looks like, including support from dedicated business advisors, bookkeeping services, a dedicated driver manager, and fleet maintenance, all designed to help you focus on growing your business. This is the same model that helped build Stevens, and today our top independent contractors are netting over $170,000 annually. If you're even curious about ownership, we invite you to stop in, ask questions, and explore what 2026 could mean for you. New year, new opportunities. 2026 could be the year you own your own business with the Stevens Independent Contractor Division. In other news, a powerful nationwide effort honored America's fallen heroes this year through wreaths across America. With the help of the Wreaths Across America transportation team and volunteers across the country, fresh evergreen wreaths were delivered to memorial sites, ensuring the service and sacrifice of fallen service members were remembered with dignity and respect. Stevens Transport was proud to once again support this mission, participating in 3 delivery routes serving the DFW region and locations across North and South Carolina. The company has supported Wreaths Across America since 2017, helping deliver wreaths that serve as lasting symbols of remembrance for fallen heroes, veterans, active duty service members, and their families. In keeping with this year's theme, Keep Moving Forward, Stevens Transport extends its gratitude to team members who made this mission possible, including Army National Guard Captain Mark Joseph, Roni Charles, Jonathan Boone, Francisca Farias, Julio Pagan, and all who continue to serve this meaningful tradition. Stay informed and inspired by the stories that shape our industry. Thank you for joining us on this edition of Stevens Transport News Bulletin. Have a great day!